Shocking new details are emerging in the Ketan Agarwal murder case as police investigation reveals alleged links and travel history between accused Sia Goyal and co-accused Chetan Chaudhary. Sources now claim that the two were in regular contact for several months and had travelled together on multiple occasions before Sia's marriage was fixed with Ketan Agarwal. According to investigators, Chetan allegedly took Sia to Jodhpur in December 2025, where they stayed at a 5-star hotel and visited several tourist locations as well, including the Mehrangarh Fort. Later in May 2026, Sia is said to have taken Chetan to Udaipur, including the hotel where her wedding with Ketan was scheduled. Shweta Verma still with me on the broadcast. Shweta, it seems that fresh details regarding Sia and Chetan's travel history are also coming to light. Of course, we do know that they've been in regular contact. In fact, call logs were skimmed through and scanned through, in fact, in quite detail by the police earlier. Nearly 2,000 calls and 238 hours of conversation was recorded. But now it seems that they travelled to Jodhpur and Udaipur as well.
Well, that's right. In fact, let's understand that from February onwards, Sia Goyal and Ketan Agarwal got engaged, and post then they have been frequently meeting each other, meeting each other's family. They spent ample time together. Before Bali plan, before Sia allegedly tore off the passport of Ketan, they had visited several places, including Udaipur and Jodhpur. As we asked, we got to know that the marriage was also planned in Udaipur Palace, on which crores of rupees were booked for near about 17 crores were given for the marriage, the kind of arrangement, palace booking and everything that was actually happening. But meanwhile, the important question arises here is from February onwards till May, there was this kind of act that was being done by Sia time and again in front of Ketan's family, in front of Ketan. If she disliked or had discomfort from Ketan, she could have said this beforehand rather than killing someone.